What is an amortized loan?
Amortized loans were created by the Homeowners Loan Corporation. An amortized loan is one in which the principal is paid down over the life of the loan in regular, equal payments. In the beginning of the loan, more of the interest is being paid than the principal. Near the end of the loan, much less of the interest is being paid, and instead, much more of the principal is being paid. Let's look at an example of an amortized loan. This is Ginny. She has a lien on her home. A lien is a legal claim on a property resulting from a debt against the property. Since Ginny's loan is an amortized loan, she won't have to make huge balloon payments. Instead, the lien will be repaid in full by the maturity date because Ginny will be making regular payments, each of them in the same amount. That is an amortized loan.